this when Sean gets
Let
ready.
everybody get set up here.
Alright?
We ready?
Yep.
10,
5, 4,
3,
3.
2, 1. Oh God, that was cool!
Oh, you can't see that. Oh no.
Perfect.
Where do we
See
go?
it now.
It's right there.
Oh my God, it's gonna come in our yard.
Right here. Right here. It's there.
Where's the smoke?
Right above it.
Oh, I see it!
Oh my God, it's cherry picking. It's right there.
It's going down.
That one's good, but this one
This
here
way,
is
it's going this way.
Which one?
I can't see that.
This one's going for a trip.
Let's go!
Oh,
there it is.
Let's go.
Okay, now you gotta watch it.
You gotta make sure. Did everyone see where that one went?
Yeah,
Right down over there. Okay, that's doable.
You know what? That's probably gonna be right near the road again.
Near the road.
No, it's more out in the orchard still.
Ooh, it came back.
That's a good spot though.
Oh, that's pretty. No, that's right where the road is.
Yeah, that one's